Namaste. Today's video is about how to start your own indoor garden with the plants which are very low maintenance. So why should you have indoor plants in your home? Indoor plants not only upgrade the interior of your house and makes the dull corner of your home look beautiful, but also some indoor plants and their potting soil or microorganisms purify the indoor air by absorbing the pollutants which are there inside your house that can be toxic to humans. And last but not the least, they have a very positive effect on your mental health. They act as a stress buster as you are very close to the nature. So where and how to start? So we will see the low maintenance plant to start with. The first plant in the list is a snake plant. I have around 12 snake plants in my house. The plant needs well-draining soil. It doesn't like to sit in water. It tolerates irregular watering. It won't mind if you don't water it for weeks, but overwatering can kill the plant. The plant does best in indirect bright light, but it can very well tolerate low light conditions. Snake plant releases oxygen at night, and it also filters indoor air. The next plant in the list is Chinese evergreen. It is beautiful ornamental plant. I have this plant since almost 4 years. It comes in many varieties. It does best in the filtered light and shade. It doesn't like direct sunlight. The plant likes well-draining, evenly moist soil. It also acts as an air purifier. The next plant in the list is ZZ plant. It is evergreen throughout the year. It has smooth, shiny, dark green leaves which look beautiful. You can forget watering this plant. It won't die because the water content of the leaves is very high. But overwatering can lead to root rot. The plant loves bright indirect light, but it can very well tolerate low light conditions. It also has air purifying properties. Then comes the money plant. It is very common plant seen in many households. It is nearly impossible to kill this plant. It comes in many varieties. The leaves remain green even in dark. If you have variegated leaf variety, then more the light they get, more will be the variegations. They can be grown in well-drained soil as well as in water. The plant loves bright indirect sunlight, but it can very well tolerate low light conditions. It looks very beautiful in the hanging baskets. The plant also acts as an air purifier. The next plant in the list is peace lily. It is an easy to grow evergreen plant. It has long, slender, beautiful leaves. It needs well-draining soil. Keep the soil moist, but don't overwater. It grows better in bright indirect light, but it can very well tolerate low light conditions. With enough light, it produces white to off-white flowers which lasts for a very long time. They love humid climate, so misting of the leaves every 2-3 days gives best result. It also acts as an air purifier. You can start your indoor garden with any of these plants. Few things to remember about indoor plants are: select the plant properly according to the light requirement. Always plant in well-draining soil. Underwatering is always better than overwatering. Fertilize the plant infrequently, maybe 3 to 6 months, preferably in growing season. Keep the leaves of the plant clean by wiping them off with wet cloth for better results. I hope this video will help you to start your own indoor garden. Please do subscribe the channel as it motivates me to make more such videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.